Hey guys, I'm on thedyrt.com and I've been using this site for finding all of my campgrounds for any camping or adventures that I want to be doing across the US. And me and my dog travel a lot on the road using this site to help us find accommodation while we travel. And I have noticed a really cool new feature that I am super excited about on this site. So I traditionally, when I want to camp with my dog, have to do a search, click on a web or click on a search result, and then using either the map or the list available to me, I click on something to read a little bit more about that ground to figure out like what's available. And all of a sudden I noticed that like now when I pick on some campgrounds, I get these icons showing up like group, RV site, tent site, and things like that. So I was like, whoa, wait a minute. How are these icons showing up? And I figured out from doing my own review that when you do a campground review, you can select these things. So the Dirt's gotten better about allowing people to kind of like filter features based on campgrounds. So I was like, wait a minute, like game changer. How can I change my search results to kind of do this? So I was like, oh my God, this is so cool. So on features now, I can actually select the things that are important to me. So definitely needs to be pet friendly, but I also work while I'm on the road. So I need Wi-Fi and phone service without fail. And I can now like filter for that and then see those results like real time on the map as well as on the list here view on the left hand side. So I was like, oh my God, that's so cool. But I don't want to have to do that every time. And I remember from like early days that the save to list feature has always been there. But now when I click on these things, I notice that I can create new lists. So I was like, awesome. Like now based on my criterias, I can create new stuff. So I'm going to do like dog friendly with cell service. Just hit enter and it saves that to my list. And I totally want to do this for all of the ones that I just found, but like more so in my general area. So I kind of filter the results just by using the map right now, and then boom, they show up right here. So I'm like, perfect, save to list. And then once I've created the list, now I just have to select all of these grounds to the list I created. So I was like, holy smokes, this is so sweet. But again, I'm like, how do I access this? Well, you just go over to your profile and go to lists, and then it's right there. Like super handy for future reference, and you can even making like all the correct things like right away, and I can share this as well on social media. So like if I'm trying to collaborate with friends or family, or if I'm just like super proud of some list I put together, like on some epic road trip, for example, I can do that. If you're trying to like show some friends some areas that you're considering, perfect example for using that. So I'm a big fan of this feature, especially if you need like without fail certain criteria, because I'm sure if you're camping with an RV, like you definitely are going to need something that's got um, like water or sewer hookups, I should say, or a sanitary dump. Or if you're in a wheelchair, you absolutely need ADA access. So brilliant. Like this is such a great feature to now have on the Dyrt and to be able to share that so easily. I'm such a big fan. So I think this is going to be a real big game changer for this site. And I'm also curious, based on what you leave in the comments, what kinds of lists that you guys could create. So I'm going to think about some lists myself and try to post some later. And I'd love to hear from you guys what you guys are coming up with out there. And share your list with me. I'd love to see them.